What is up, babes and babes? It's your girl, Cassie, and for today's video, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang day in my life dito. So, dyan sa Pilipinas, it is 7:06 and dito naman sa amin, 4:07 PM na. Ayan, medyo late ang gising natin. Dahil jet lag pa ako masyado, tanghali or hapon na ako nagigising dito. So, for now, I really have nothing else to do. Kaya, nandito muna ako kasi winter sem pa ako mag-start ng schooling. At I really have to adjust at mag-decompress muna. So, bago ang lahat, nag-music talaga ako kasi medyo boring and gusto ko talaga may music. Ayun, gagawa tayo ng ating food. Magko-coffee ako ngayon and kakain ako ng chocolate and have some toast. Basically, I have Bounty, peanut butter, and coffee. At lalabas ako sa backyard para magbasa. Currently, ang binabasa ko ay Catch the Light by Kate Sweeney. Maganda siyang young adult book. It's a very light read, so I like reading it. And ngayon naman, maghuhugas na ako. And this is my first time actually using yung dishwasher. So, ayan, medyo naguluhan ako, pero tinuruan naman ako ni Daddy. Then afterwards, nagliligpit lang ako ng mga makalat. Then, dito sana pumasok ako para mag-phone. Then I realized na, oh my god, kailangan ko pala mag-laundry. So, ayun, nilaundry ko muna yung aking mga labahan at umakyat ako ulit para mag-journal since journaling now has been the best way for me to decompress. And ayun, yung pagsusulat ko about what I'm going through has helped me a lot these past few days. And nagluto yung tatay ko ng chicken, which is very delicious. He made chicken and mashed potatoes for dinner. Ayan. And happy girl siya kasi masarap yung pagkain. And then, we were watching American Dad while eating dinner. And of course, after dinner, we have to get ready for bed. So, nag-toothbrush ako, nagsuklay. Ayun, at na-distract pa nga siya sa sarili niyang reflection. And then, balik na ako sa room ko para matulog. So, that's all you guys. Good night. Have a great day. Kung nasan man kayo, I love you all. Mwah!